Welcome. In front of me is an iPad Pro 11-inch 4th generation, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this device. So to get started, you can pull down your control center from the top right side of the screen, and if you see this icon right here, the circle, like the two circles basically, then you can just tap on it and start recording. But I believe this is actually disabled by default, so to add this into your toggles, you would need to navigate into the settings, then control center, and you'll find it somewhere. Let me just remove it. There we go. So you should find it somewhere in here. As you can see, it would be, for instance, like right here. You press on the plus button, and then it will be added in here. Once it's added, tap on it, it starts to count down from 3, and then starts recording. So whatever you will do right now obviously will be recorded by the device, and you just kind of open maybe some app. So there we go. Once you're done, you can find the toggle, tap on it, and this will automatically save your screen recording to your Photos application. So you can see it right over here. You can tap on it and it should start playing. Yep, it's already playing. So you can now view it. Now keep in mind, you can record majority of the things, but I believe that similar to Android, screen recording will be blocked by certain apps, for instance like Netflix. So it is strictly done to prevent you from recording just TV shows and then uploading them, right? Makes sense? So if you encounter some kind of recording that just shows you a fully black screen and nothing on it, and you're fairly certain that you were actually recording not the black screen, then this is probably some app that is just simply blocking you. Now, anyway, this would basically finalize the screen recording. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.